Hello everyone, welcome back to my latest video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So let's get started without wasting any time. Actually there are four methods to solve this problem. So let's get started. First of all, go back to your home screen. Now in first method you have to open the settings app on your device. And now tap on Apple ID profile. And now tap on password and security. And now tap on change password. Enter your iPhone passcode. Now you have to change your password here. Now tap here your new password. And then re-enter it. And now tap on change. So my password has been changed. So after changing the password, check whether the problem has been solved or not, because this problem occurs when you re-enter the password again and again wrong. So if the problem is still not fixed, then go for the next step. Go back to your home screen and now open settings app again. And now tap on Apple ID profile and then tap on payment and shipping. So here you have to add your shipping address and then go back and then type here on media and purchases and now tap on view accounts and now tap on manage payment and here update your payment method. Here if you have added the payment method, you have to update that one and then go back and tap on country or region and now tap on change country or region. Scroll down and select the country according to your credit card. So I'm selecting United States and now type on agree. Again tap on agree and here you have to put your credit card information, but I am selecting at none and here put the formalities. You can put fake one. Select state. I'm selecting California and then put here zip code for the state. If you don't know what is the zip code of your state, you can search on Google Chrome or Safari app, whichever you browser have. So the zip code for California is 90201 and here put the phone number. You can put fake one and tap on next. So my country region has been changed. So after this your problem will be solved, and if the problem still is not solved, then go for the Safari app, open it and type here Apple Sport. applesport.com. Type here and then here select your device. If you have iPhone, then tap on iPhone, and if you have iPad, tap on iPad, Mac, Watch, etc. So I'm selecting iPhone and then scroll it down, and here is the get sport, so tap it. From here you can take help from the Apple Store. Here is the contact your carrier and call those, so you can call them or contact by online messaging or chatting. So hopefully your problem will be solved, and if the video is helpful for you, please like and share. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.